Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol QQQ, which is the ETF for the NASDAQ 100, of course. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We follow this marketplace regularly here. The main thing I would point out is that we are continuously seeing bearish acceptance at these lower prices instead of firmly moving away, which is solidifying the idea, at least to me, that this will likely start to build out as some sort of bear flag with lower price acceptance, and over the course of time, we will eventually start breaking down out of it. That's what I'm seeing, at least as of right now. There's not a whole lot of evidence that would support a theory for some sort of massive turnaround and just something like that based on what we're seeing here. Now, yes, the market can always do whatever it wants to do, but that's what the candlesticks would suggest. As a matter of fact, these 3-day lows are starting to act as a flush point, and we can really see this more clearly on the 30-minute time frame, actually. You can see all of the interaction we've had here as well as here sort of trickling down underneath it into the close today with some bearish upper wicks as well. I would just start treating that as a flush point, right? If we take out today's low and really start getting more candle closes underneath 342 roughly, then we're looking for a flush to bring us into Monday's low around 334.27. Now from there, I would reevaluate the chart. I wouldn't just automatically assume that that level has to break and the bear flag needs to pan out one step at a time, right? Let's go easy about this. So that's what I'm seeing to the downside. If it's going to reverse higher, this is just proving to be a choppy zone, right? There's not a whole lot of market direction in there. Maybe there's a little bit of a trade to take up and over this 346, sorry about that, up into those highs closer to 353.89, 354, and then that to me is really where things start to change. If that level can break, it's all about closing a 30-minute bar above, since we have not been able to do that as of right now. If we can, maybe there's the rotation that starts to kick this off as a bit of a bottom, but again, nothing about the candle structure, at least as of right now, would suggest that that is a likely possibility. Apple earnings, of course, were after the bell, and they were starting to be a little bit positive when I was looking last. We'll ultimately have to see if there are enough power to drag this marketplace higher. But for now, we're opening inside of this big area of balance, and it doesn't really look promising for some sort of reversal. Again, it's really all about this level here. 342, if it holds, fine. Probably looking for chop around here, not getting overly directional, a little bit more confident up and over that 353.89 as we mentioned, and breakdowns of this level, look out below. Monday's low is easily in play, then reevaluate. If we do something like this and form a lower high after all of that, yeah, that's where things get really nasty on the breakdown, and then maybe the daily bear flag does truly start to pan out once we have confirmed that as a lower high. So that's what I've got for you in the QQQ. Those are the numbers and theories to really be thinking about here. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.